Hi, my name is Danny. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Loft feature, which you'll find up here in the Create box. My first step of doing a loft is identifying the different shapes and planes that you're going to have to go through that you want. So I opened up a new standard part, and I'm going to left-click Create 2D Sketch. And I'm just going to choose the top plane. And then I'm going to go up. What I want to do is have this object loft through a square into a circle center and then back out into a square. So first, to make the square, I'm going to go up to the draw box and left click polygon. And here it's asking me the number of sides I want. So I'm just going to type in 4. And then you just click a point, it's going to be an edge, and drag it out. It doesn't really matter what it looks like now because we're going to constrain that and then go ahead and press done. And that automatically takes you out of that feature so you don't have to escape. I'm going to make sure that this edge here is horizontal so that I have it kind of straight up. And then I'm going to coincident constraint that middle point over to the origin. So I'm going to go up and select coincident constraint, left click that center, and left click the origin. And then I'm just going to want to dimension this so I have a consistent size. So I pressed escape. Now I'm going to press dimension and select one of those sides and drag down. And I'm going to make this 1 inch. And now that is fully constrained. You can go ahead and press finish sketch. Now to make the circle center, I want to create a plane kind of offset from this one. So I'm going to select that, and I'm just going to select offset from plane. And I'm going to go over to this origin folder and expand that and see which plane. Obviously that's the one since it's parallel, and I'm just going to type in 1 inch and press enter. So then we want to create a circle sketch on that plane. I'm going to select create 2D sketch, and you kind of have to select one of the edges of the planes you created. And I'm going to go ahead and project the geometry of the origin. So I selected project geometry by just left clicking there. Then I'm going to go over the origin folder and press center point. Then go ahead and press escape. And then I'm going to create a circle using circle center point and go over to the origin and expand out and then type in 0.75. So that should be good. And I just want to make sure this is fully dimensioned, but I already made that dimension. Okay, so that's going to be good. And I'm just going to constrain that midpoint to where it is. And then I'm going to say finish sketch. And now I just want to make the square top. So I'm going to basically repeat the same steps. I'm going to say offset from plane. I'm going to select the edge of that plane, type in 1, press enter, create a sketch, and create that right on there. Again, we want to project the geometry of the center point, press escape, go over to polygon, make sure it says 4, drag that out, press done, make sure this edge is horizontal. Let me drag that out. And I want to dimension this edge to be 1 inch. Press enter, and the last step for the sketch is to just left click that center and then left click the origin. Now we want to finish sketch, and as you can see, we kind of have all the shapes that our loft's going to be going through. I'm going to go ahead and take away the visibility for these 2 planes. So you're going to want to go over to where it says work plane 1 and right click that and then left click visibility and then just repeat that for the work plane 2. Then you're going to want to go up to the create box and we're going to use the loft feature. You just go ahead and left click that once and then it's kind of asking you what you want to loft. I'm going to select the square and then the circle and then the square again. And you have different options for this. If you actually want this solid feature, that's the one you're going to want to go to. We have nothing to cut. These are kind of similar options as you have an extrude, but we have nothing that's really going to utilize those. So then you just can press OK, and you have this nice lofted feature using 2 squares and a circle. So I hope that was helpful to give you a brief overview of Loft. If you're having more trouble with it, again, if you hover over it, it's going to kind of give you a brief description, and you can also press F1 for more help, or you can go ahead and press this question mark icon in your browser to go to the main help page. So I hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching.